Okay, let's go. Am I hit?
Back! Is that from this game?
Yeah.
Actually, that looks like it's a slide.
Alright. Back?
No, he means like right there.
What?
They're in the back mid. Recover. You wanna
Back
move
mid?
up with the barrel to me? To the barrel.
Yeah. The one's laying down?
What?
The barrel's on the side?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, right there, right there.
Am I hit?
Good.